Finally made it. 6-7 hours worth of. Oh, what a journey! Good to see you, man.
You made it.
What a journey! Yeah. Oh man. Okay, so even though I've been travelling for about 7 hours already, it's nearly 12 o'clock now, I've not actually had a chance to stop and talk to you and tell you where I am, what I'm doing, where I'm going. I met Duncan. He's come to Paris just for my 12-hour layover. That is, I've got to say thank you for that. That is pretty cool. And I haven't eaten all morning, and neither does Duncan, so we're just going to get some bagels, I think. We've ordered, I'm not really sure what we've ordered. New York Times and the Wall Street Journal bagel, to see what comes. Look at these bad boys, French bagels.
No.
What? I don't even know what's on here. Oh, I've got walnuts on mine. Are they walnuts?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's on yours?
Cream cheese. Turkey.
Definitely a good choice. Come and see our friend Mickey. Mickey's Bagels.
Oh, he knows his stuff.
Where are we going, Duncan? Where are we going? We're literally running for the metro because the weather is that bad. I don't think there's any point even trying to stay dry. Both Duncan and I have been to Paris before, previously. And both times, for both of us, it was being absolutely throwing it down like it is today. So, I've never seen Paris in the dry. Literally, we've run across the road and we're absolutely soaking wet through. So we're going to try to stay a bit, stay for a while on the underground, use the underground as a bit of shelter, the metro, and see where we end up. Okay, I realised in my last videos that I'm not always as clear to the plan where I'm going, what I'm doing. I've just found a map and I think this should be able to help. This is where I started this morning. It's 5 o'clock this morning, Macedonia. Paris is where we are now. Tonight I'm going to be in the south of Spain, Alicante. On Wednesday I'm going to go from Alicante to the north of Spain, Santiago. And then next weekend I'm going from Santiago. Actually, I'm flying from Madrid, actually, coming back via Istanbul, which is just here, back to Macedonia again. So 5 flights, 7 days, probably 3 or 4 different videos I'm going to make as well. So we'll see what we can do. Parfait.
C'est
Ça, c'est une caméra. GoPro, ouais. I've got a hot dog on the way, and the waitress, the lady serving, is obsessed with a GoPro camera. Merci.
Merci. Eh, regardez, c'est une caméra. Il est en train de. Mais là, vous nous filmez là.
Ouais.
Oh non.
Super.
Merci.
Merci. Au revoir. Ciao. She was obsessed with the camera. I don't know how much was actually on or off, filming or not filming, but she was crazy. Well, we're going to try to show you some of the, you can see a bit of it there, I suppose. The Notre Dame, it's quite a big, very famous church, but it's just far too wet, far too rainy. We're trying to have fun, we're trying to enjoy ourselves, but it's just not happening. So, need to go somewhere inside. We're going to run to the metro again, get on the train and try to find, I don't know, just some sort of cafe or something, because we need to just, we're absolutely drowned, wet through. This is bad, man. Yeah. This is bad. Why? There's not even any words to describe it. We found the place we were heading for, and I hope it's worth it after all this wandering around. Oh, there's people in as well. This little tea room that we found was so worth the wait. So let me show you what we've got here. There was a menu of, like, I can't tell you how many different types of tea. We've chosen 2 different ones, and we get this little egg timer as well. And you time how long you leave the tea to brew, and then it's ready to drink. But it's just so there's just one person working. It's so quiet, and everybody is local. Everybody's French. Tea corner. If you're ever in Paris, find it. It's worth going. It's so good. Did you enjoy it? Top dog. We must have been in there probably 2 hours, maybe, sitting, chatting. Anyway, we're gonna walk to. Actually, I don't know where we're gonna go. We'll walk and see where we end up, I suppose. What is going on? It started again. It's beyond funny. It's just, oh, what a day. Anyway, to hide from the rain, to shelter from the rain. Another cup of tea, why not? What else can you do, right? We've walked enough, we've just absolutely wet through. It's just, it's funny and it's not funny at the same time. But anyway, half an hour till I get my bus, half an hour till I leave Duncan, and then I head off to the airport for flight number 2 of the day. Looks like we're getting on the bus. Duncan, thank you for coming. It's been great to see you again. And I'll see you in, who knows, maybe Lithuania next. We'll see. Take it easy. Cheers. Getting on this bus, this crazy bus that I've been waiting for however long, in the rain.
On the left side, yes,
right.
Please.
Just over an hour, I think it's an hour and 20 minutes on this bus. Get to the airport. In theory, we should get to the airport with plenty of time to spare, which means hopefully I can have something to eat before I get on the plane to Spain, because I'll only arrive in Spain at 11 o'clock. Always on the move. We'll see. I'm going to stop recording because this is just absolute chaos.